Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. On my previous video, I had a comment and it was from Starboard or 87. Starboard said, Geo, I love who you are and what you do. No disrespect here, but I must admit that I was slightly disappointed that hand lathering involved a brush. When I saw the video title, I thought you were going to be working the cream in with just your hands. I've heard some people lather without a brush in a pinch, but I've never tried it myself. So here is my formal request that you make a video like this. Is it possible without a cream that is specifically brushless? Well, let's give it a try. This is a cream that is not specifically brushless. This is regular old Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E in the blue tube. I will lather this up, no brush. Last time, I guess I was mistaken. I used a brush, but this time I will not use a brush. Last time I just hand lathered it like this with a brush, but today we'll use no brush, and I'll put a link to that video if you want to check it out. It'll be up there in the corner. So today it'll just be the cream, the razor, Merkur 34C, workhorse of the industry, right here, loaded with a feather blade, right there. And I won't even use the big wide stick alum block. I use this minimalistic little square alum block, small one. And we'll finish it up with some aftershave after that. So let's get right to work. No brush to soak in my marble cup, so no need to worry about that. I'll just warm up my face, and I'm going to put some lather in my hands and we'll get going. Whew, good and hot. I think there's even some steam coming up in here. It's hot. All right, here we go. Let's push the range man back. There we go. Get him out of the way. Uncork the cap on this Proraso right here. Squirt some into the fingertips, about an almond-sized amount, and just massage that just like so. Just like that. Work it in. No brush. Into the beard. All the areas you're going to shave. Just work that lather right into it vigorously. There is no other way, is there? You want to make sure that you soften the beard, elevate it. Hopefully it gets elevated by your fingers. Just work it in. A little bit of water, just a couple of drops. Okay, here we go. And my plan is, I'm going to leave this hand the way it is. And I'm going to rinse the other one. Uh-oh, what did we forget? Clear the runways. Just so we can see those sideburns. Warm the razor under the hot water. One hand will remain like this. One hand will shave. Just start here, perpendicular. Cut that sideburn, work the way down. One side's full, flip it over. Outline the goatee, circle beard, facial hair, Van Dyke, whatever you call it. Rinse that. Left side, same way, cut that sideburn. Flip it. Rinse off. Now, let's carve out the center. Okay, rinse the razor. I'm not going to rinse my face. I'm going to leave this the way it is so that I can use some of this cream with a little water and work it back in again. couple drops of water. Steal the cream from over here. Massage it in again. Across the grain. Backhand. Let's rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. I had a couple days beard growth before I started. Just let the razor stop right at the facial hair like that. Rinse the razor. One more time, let's hit the cheeks. See, there's residual lather that stays on the hand, and you can work it right back in. A little bit water. All right, now I can rinse my hand. We'll just ride the cap now, right up the cheeks. This will get you baby smooth right here. Don't scrape like this, just to skim. Other side. That's it. Let's rinse that off. A nice cold water rinse. And someone in the previous video also commented they don't wet the alum block. So we'll just leave the face damp and leave the alum block dry, and let's glide that over. They said they get a better result from that. So it's not as slick, and I actually feel like it is penetrating a little better without wetting it first. So kudos to, I can't remember who it was, but thank you for mentioning that. I'll even flip it over, use the other side dry. It seems to, it's a little bit rougher. Seems to penetrate better. Tighten the skin, close the pores, seal off any nicks you may have gotten. It's an antiseptic, so excellent way to end the shave. Now you can just let that soak in and be done with it, or you can let it soak in for about 30 seconds and rinse it out. Pat the face dry. Sticking with the Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Blue, let's go with the Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Blue Aftershave Balm, which is excellent. Aloe and Vitamin E protects the skin, provides a good layer of protection, soothes, calms the skin, about that much. I may have even taken a little too much. But it goes on really cool, feels excellent. Could even hit the forehead. As long as you don't break out. If you have some issue with applying it to the forehead, then just refrain from doing that. Okay, there you go. Let me rinse my fingers. I actually had the shaving cream on my hands, so I was unable to prove the feather blade, but let me just show it to you. There it is. It's a feather blade. Trust me, I wouldn't lie to you. That's what I used. So, excellent shave. I had several days worth of beard growth. As you can see, I'm baby smooth. And you can use a shaving cream that's not really called brushless. It's not designated as brushless, but you can use just about any type of shaving cream without a brush, lathering it up in your fingers, massaging it into your palm, and then right onto the face. And the way I did it, if you leave one hand, if you can shave one-handed and you leave the other hand with the cream on it, you won't have to take more cream from the tube. So it is a good way to shave if you're in the field. I mean, literally standing in the field and don't have much to work with. All you need is a little, you could even put this into a smaller tube. And if you want a little bit of aftershave, and then just the razor, Merkur 34C, the workhorse of the industry. It's been around forever. A razor that many gents start out with and finish with too. It's just a great razor. I would prefer if the handle was a little bit longer, but you know, it works well as it is. You can see baby smooth, very nice shave provided. Excellent. With some hand lathering, some legit hand lathering, no brush involved. You won't get a real thick, creamy, sudsy lather, but you will get that slickness and that protection so that the blade can glide across your skin very easily. That's all it takes. It works quite well. Trust me, there's nothing like brushing on your shaving cream, but in a pinch, like I said, you can do it this way, right in the hand. One more quick comment before I go. It is kind of irritating removing the feather blade from the paper. It seems like they're using a bit more glue than they used to, so it's kind of difficult to get the paper off of the blade. I mean, no disrespect to the blade itself. It's still a beast and the sharpest blade out there. And if you want to crank up any shave, you insert this blade in your razor, and that will definitely do it for you. But the paper and the glue, it's a little much. I think they can get by with less. Feather, chatai, I don't know how you say it in Japanese, but hopefully they're listening to me and they can lighten up on the glue. That's my rant for now. All right, before I bug out, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button down there and then click that bell up there and then click all. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of the items I used in the video or other stuff, just click down below where it says show more. There'll be some links down there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you want in the search box, and it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.